What's happening, YouTube? This is my unboxing of the TS-A879 3.5 wide range tweeter, which basically to me is a tweeter with mid-range, but they've kind of jumped up on the technology here to get more output out of it, more range. And it features polyurethane balanced dome tweeter and long inline crossover. It can handle 100 watts RMS, 450 watts peak, 85 dB, and it's carbon and mica reinforced injection molded polypropylene mid-range speaker with a 1-inch tweeter. So basically, it'll be able to handle a lot more range than just your regular tweeter. It does feature the crossover built in, and you see this silver plating in here. You gotta be careful. They say don't touch anything to all of this, because that silver plating part, that is actually the neodome. That is actually the neo magnet for the tweeter. The part at the bottom is the magnet for the mid-range part. And so you can see that this is better crafted than just the regular tweeter that they have, like the ones that I have in there now in the dash. This part is gold, and it's made to disperse sound better. So that's why I'm switching to this, getting a little bit more range. It has a resin basket, which you can see is lightweight and rigid to keep vibration out. And there you can see that odd shaped magnet in between, and it has a pretty decent spider in there. So I love the tweeters, so I had to try this new product, and we're gonna give it a chance, see what it does, and kind of enhance my little budget SQ build, and we'll give that a test later. So that wraps up the Pioneer TS-A879 3.5 unboxing. And the reason why I just took it out and sat it out is because they say with these type of magnets and the wiring, you have to really be careful. Don't touch anything and install it right. So we're going to follow the instructions, and we'll get back at you. We'll get right back at you and get it tested and get it going, because, you know, got to have my music. All right, y'all.